Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Samsung A13. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to enable or disable the sound and vibration of the keyboard, like whenever you touch the keyboard, it sounds or vibrates, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration. Let's watch the video.